Now we will do a phrase with this walking. Forward, I start with my left walking forward, but before I will change weight to my right and then first step forward with my left. Then right, then left, then right, and feet together. Let's do it one more time. I will count. The first change of weight to your right is 1. Going forward, 2, 3, 4, 5, feet together is 6, and again. I don't have a space, so same as you. Now I will go backward. Going backward, I change weight to my left. 1. Starting backward with my right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, change weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, feet together. Let's do it one more time. 1, change weight. 2, forward. 3, 4, 5, 6. Change weight is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Going backward. 1 is weight on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feet together. Change weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.